Hi guys, how you all doing? It's about to be a new trading week. The way we normally do it, our weekly outlook. But first of all, last week trade was good. We took few trades, I think. How many? About three. Well, yeah, it was good. I always tell you guys, I'm not all about forcing trades. I take my time to take the best possible setup I can, and then we take them. Yeah, I would wait as usual for about a minute or two for other people to join the call, and while we are waiting, we play our music as usual. Yeah. Kajo, 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 kayo, kayo, kajo. Uyo me ale buso mi. Uyo me na, uyo me na, oh uyo me na buso mi. Uyo me na, uyo me na, uyo me na buso mi. Everybody wanna win. Yeah, yeah. If only you just believe it. Close your eyes and come see the yeah. Don't you worry about a thing, girl. 'Cause this is a world. You in less than 50 seconds, you're going to go to start the meeting. 60 seconds there will kick off. Yeah, what my eyes have seen. Yeah. Oh, don't need to yeah. Okay, right about now, guys. We'll go straight into our weekly analysis. First of all, I'm taking the DXY, right? Let's go ahead and look at the DXY. DXY has been bearish for a while since 1 second, let my connection load up. I want this connection to load up. 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. What's wrong with this network? Okay, the DXY has been bearish ever since this particular zone, since 27th of September 2022. So it broke, we're having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, like that, until this point where it broke the structure, retested, started creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Can you see it here? Until this point where it broke structure. Yes, are we trying to like change trend? Are we trying to like go back to the top? Right now, all I know is that on a daily time frame, we broke the structure, then came back to retest a zone that would actually take us higher. And then since then, we've been seeing upward movement of DXY. If you look at this, it came into our zone and then it started going up. So what do I want to see from DXY now? Uh, so I had this when it was coming down, when it broke the structure, it was creating lower highs, lower lows. I want to see DXY break this level. Once it breaks this level, it gives me a confirmation that we are trending up, even if it's for a bit now, where we are trending up, right? So when it breaks this, we'll look for entry below and then we'll take it up or the up direction, right? We'll see it go bullish. So until it breaks this particular zone, I'm still looking at DXY bearish until it breaks this place. Until. So you could actually go from here, move downward again to get us an entry before it goes this way. But a very good confirmation that we are now bullish is when it breaks this particular zone. So I'll go ahead, go to 4 hours. Let me see what we have here. Okay. So it's still the same thing too, guys. It kept on going, creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So until it breaks this particular zone before I confirm that, okay, yes, I start looking for buys on the DXY. So I would go through all the pairs and let's see what we are looking at for the new trading week, right? So first thing we are looking at is AUD card, which I'm waiting for to come up. Mm, I really don't like it when my connection is slow. For AED card, I'm waiting for it to come up. Okay, so here's AED card. Looking at it holistically on 4 hours, you can see that it's been trending downward, right? Downward and all. Though I was looking at this last week, I didn't call it, but I thought it could change trend. But I was looking at this, I didn't call it out for anybody. So it went through it, and then if you look at these guys, uh, from this top, so was where the last uptrend stopped here. So it was trending up, until it broke the structure here, went down, still came here to break the structure. But this is a false breakout to me because when I look at my TDI, I see it was trending downwards. But yeah, it was creating sets of double top, triple top, like that, which for our style of trading is called liquidity, right? And then it still further broke the structure. So we want to see it going downward. There's really no sensible structure yet, but I still want to keep seeing AUD card go downward until I see a change in structure. AUD it's been a while I traded this pair, but okay. I can just see a bearish pair that's creating, little bit of upward move, but I still don't like the structure. ADNZD. Let's see what we have on AUDNZD. I don't like the way the connection is slow, but AUDNZD, the first thing I saw here is liquidity. Okay, I can see it give us another liquidity on the top right here, and then trend wise, uh, you know, trend wise, I still see it bullish in a way, but I really don't like the structure. I like to see my clear structure, but it's really not clear. I don't like the way it looks. AUD USD. Okay, it's simple. It was bullish until it broke the trend, and then I don't really like the trend, too, so I don't want to waste my time marking it up. What else? So Bitcoin, guys, I've been looking at Bitcoin for a while, and then I have this. Okay, so this is what I think. Now, this is not a financial advice. I'm telling you based on my view. So, Bitcoin has been bullish and it's still bullish to me. Why did I say so? So sorry. So, when you look at Bitcoin, it started its bullish movement from 37,896. And since then, look at what it did. It just went bullish. And then we had to cover the inefficiency. It came to cover the inefficiencies here. And then it left some inefficiencies behind. And I feel like that is what Bitcoin came back to cover for us to start moving upward. Now, on a normal break of structure and all, it did break the structure. It did. But looking at how Bitcoin came to clear the equal lows, if you look at these guys, it cleared the equal lows, came to pick up this, came to close the inefficiency, and then we are moving back up. For now, guys, I really feel like Bitcoin is now bullish. That's what I feel. If you go back to 4 hours, that's on one day, guys. If you go back to 4 hours, I want you guys to see this from a view of not because you are holding Bitcoin, in a view of a trader. We trade the trend always, guys. That's what we do. And then if you look at it, when immediately it touched this zone, it actually broke structure. This was the previous high here, this particular one. It broke it already, right? That's what I want us to just see. We might see Bitcoin come down to this point to feel the inefficiency again, like at 46,635 thereabouts, and then continues upward movement, right? That's on Bitcoin, guys. CAD JPY, I don't like the structure. Um, Germany 30. So I've been actually looking at this pair. I marked it up and all. This was one I marked up, it went well. Then I marked up this. We're expecting a 1 to 6 risk to reward, but it gave us some couple of 1,000 pips before it went in the reverse case. So you already gave us nice 1 to 2, which would have actually been I've actually placed our stop loss to entry and probably taking partials. But that's that about that. It broke the structure already, and then I'm waiting for it to print something cool. Then I actually like remark it up again. But right now I just let it be. Euro AUD, from what I can see, very easy markup right now that I can see. Look at it, it's starting to trend down, right? And then at this stage, we have equal lows here. If you look at this well, guys, we have equal lows. We have equal lows here. It created equal lows. That's the liquidity. Then we had this come to sweep it, right? Feel this inefficiency, and then we also have this. So this pair right now is not really straight. I want us to trade it with caution. We have this imbalance level that it left us with. Can you see this level, guys? This particular level. And let me see it on the 1 day time frame. Man, I really want us to stay out of this pair right now because I still see it coming down to this stage. This fair value gap, and then the other block. So I think we could see it to this. 1 second. I think we could see Euro AED go downward. Okay, so this is nice. This is another block. So we could see it do this, guys. We could see it do this. We have something that cleared the equal highs already, right? It broke it, cleared it, and then shifted structure to become a lower high, and then we are trying to get a lower low rather. Then we are trying to get another lower high. We could see Euro AED do this for us, guys. We could see it do this. I'd like to keep a bigger stop loss just because of what we have above here, and then we'll see it come as low as this level. It might go lower, right? I'm not saying that is the final destination. It might go lower, but first of all, we want to see it close that inefficiency and actually get to the other block we have there. That this is a 1 to 3.86 risk to rewards, approximately 1.4, right? So yeah, that's for Euro AUD. Euro card, I think I don't really like the structure, but I see the same thing, but I don't like the structure. I would prefer to go for Euro AUD. Euro GBP, what we have here, I don't like the structure. Euro JPY, I think Euro GBP has a structure though. Let me see it again. It's been trending downwards. We could see it do the same thing like Euro AUD. What do I mean by that? You could see it come up here to feel the inefficiency and then to take the other block and then continues downward movement, which is not bad, guys. This is not bad, and we'll have a smaller SL for this, I'm sure. But all these are just my outlook, guys. They're just my outlook for the week. I'm sure some of them are actually trend based on the news, based on the market movement. So we have to just trade them with caution. That's what I want to tell you guys. So this is Euro GBP. So this is what I see right now. Euro GBP. You might see this come at least to the last low here and further. But this is a 1 to 5.6 risk to reward. So that's Euro GBP, Euro JPY. What do we have here? I'll stay out. Euro USD. What do we have here? Euro USD. Okay. The way you see different when I draw different rectangular boxes, I could be in a trade taking re-entries, right? So something like this, I think I took this trade last week. I'll confirm it cleared this. I took this trade, I took a re-entry and I took another re-entry here. So that's how I take my re-entry, guys. So once I take a trade on a higher level, I go down to my lower levels. If we want to retest, every retest can be a potential entry to keep the downward movement. So I don't just take one position at times. I keep taking this, but you can only understand how I take my entry if you understand the trading style. So Euro GBP AUD, I really don't like it. GBP card, nothing. GBP CHF, nothing. GBP JPY, GBP USD. What do I have here? There was something I was looking at on GBP USD. I hope I have not cleared my chart. I still have a bullish bias on GBP USD since I think 2 weeks ago, thereabout. Okay, my bullish bias is still my bullish bias, right? If you look at this, we had equal lows here, and this week came to clear out, which I don't know if that's the end. Can you see? But I still, until it breaks this structure, I'm still bullish on GBP USD. So this is what I have on GBP USD. I'm very interested in this trade because it's going to give us a very nice risk to reward. We could see a 1 to 11. So this is my GBP USD. Until I see it shift in structure, guys, this is what I want to see on GBP USD, NZD JPY, nothing, NZD USD. Nothing too, guys. US 30. Do I want you guys to trade that? Yes, only those guys with big accounts and those that have been trading. But the new guys, I really want you guys to stay out of this. The pair, US 30 is one thing that actually burnt me while I was learning. So, I trade it now, but I trade it with caution. That's what I do with US 30. That's what I want you guys to understand. So USD JPY, nothing. Gold, I think I had a markup I want to see on gold. Yes. Yes, I have this markup I want to see on gold, right? From here, I've been looking. So I left gold for a long time, guys. The structure has been printing is not what I would trade. So I let it be for a long time. And I feel like gold is ready to give us what we need right now. So this is what I want to see on gold. This is it, guys. I hope gold comes out, nice to be a good boy. So let us have this trade. So this is what I have, guys. So right now, this is everything I see on those pairs, guys, and I really want us to take them. Take it easy. There's always going to be an entry. I'm a type of person that I don't like forcing trades. I don't mind to take a trade a week. I don't mind to take two. I don't even mind to not take any in a week. So far, I don't see what aligns with my setup. I'm not going to eat the market, guys. There's always going to be your perfect entry, your perfect setup. If you have three confirmation checklists, guys, if you don't see three of them, I think you should stay out of the trade. It's not a must to trade. That's one thing that took me time to learn. I just want to, I see people posting the trade. I wanted to trade, but I had to go back to myself to talk to me. What is your problem? What are you getting wrong? And all, and then, it's all been good. I've been learning and I'm still learning. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for hopping on the call. I'm going to save this and I share it on the YouTube channel. So it's almost trading week, and I want you guys, whatever you're looking at, you can always share it in the group, and then we'll look at it together. I appreciate you guys. It's always love here. Take care of yourself. Bye.